The act of networking encourages people to interact and engage with others for the purpose of making relationships and conducting business. Hey, and welcome to Botsplash TV. I'm Willem Osich. Events ranging from local meetups to international conferences allow for business individuals to meet similar-minded strangers for the purpose of making relationships and making moves. Approaching someone with a smile and a handshake, followed by a business card, is usually your go-to networking experience when you're putting yourself out there in front of people. Always be prepared to answer the question, "So, what do you do?" and then take it from there. When networking, be calm, be respectful, and most importantly, be yourself. Thank you all for watching Botsplash TV. I'm Willem Osich.